And currently seeing Nicole Mann and Koichi Wakata closing the hatch to the crew lock section of the airlock, where now the final preparations for this spacewalk this morning can begin. Today, the 254th spacewalk, in support of the ISS assembly, maintenance, and upgrades. It was the 9th spacewalk of 2022. It was the first spacewalk of Expedition 68, the first of Josh Cassada's career, totaling out to be 7 hours and 11 minutes for him, as well as the first spacewalk for Frank Rubio, totaling out for another 7 hours and 11 minutes. The total spacewalk time over the 254 spacewalks equals out to 1,609 hours and 48 minutes, which is the equivalent of 71 days, 0 hours, and 48 minutes.